Hi, Philip Griffith here, and we are only 1 week away from Christmas. And as your professional photo organizer, I'm here to say that if you want to use photos for your holiday gift giving, a gift certificate is your best bet. We've done this with a number of families who want to do something with their photos, but basically ran out of time for this particular holiday. And that's a common problem when people think about doing something with their photos for Christmas, Mother's Day, graduation, birthdays, anniversaries, all sorts of events. They forget it takes time both to organize the photos so that you can find the ones that you really want to use to tell the story of that event or that person or that place, or how much time it will take to actually create the book or the slideshow or the poster, whatever it is that you're going to use. That's one of the reasons why we're here, because we want to help you use your photos to tell your story so that they will last not only for generations, but enable you to celebrate your life now.